This is exercise 2 using add rules to add cooling items and screws. So before you do this exercise, make sure you copy this CTF file into your working folder. You can right click and then select Save Target As. Save it into your working folder. After that, we go to File, select Unpack. Unpack this CTF file. And then press Ctrl button on the keyboard and A to select all. And then click Unpack. Okay, now destination path means where you want to save this unpacked file. So save it into your working folder and use folder path, we change it to without folder history and then select OK. Okay, after that we load the file. Okay, after that we activate the fixed site sub-assembly. We can double click here or right click, activate component, and then we change to top view. And we go to this and select add cooling items, and we select this E1074 screw plug. Okay, and then we select this. Make sure the auto size selection is checked and then click OK. After that we drag a box like this. Okay, this is the result. Okay, now we cancel it first. We go to here, we activate this cooling part, double click here, and then we right click the cooling object, select edit feature. We change the dimension, the diameter to 16, and also this one. After that, click OK. Next, we want to add the screw, so we need to activate this main assembly at rules. We can double click or right click, activate assembly. After that, we select this screw board and then cap screw E1200 and the diameter is 10. Make sure this two is checked. After that, click OK. Now we change it to bottom view. We pick this face and then we click here to place the screw. Okay, after that we rotate it a bit. So you can see the screw is too short. So we right click and then select pick target face. And then we select this face. We use the scroll to select this face. Okay. Okay, now the screw length is automatically adjusted according to the distance between the placement plane and target place. Okay, after that, make sure the same component option is selected. After that, right click, select OK.